Hello and welcome to the podcast. Today I have with me Tanmay Diwan, the over entitled bastard who just won the Manchester Derby. So yeah,
I mean, I
like
didn't
give me some.
physically win, but yeah.
I mean, of course, you were not one of those players, but if you still were, you would
We,
be
we
better
would have
than
still
Joe
won, right?
Maguire.
Because you guys were
Yeah,
garbage.
you would be better than Maguire. And yeah, we were so bad. भाई मतलब हक दिया भाई हम लोगों ने genuinely. I don't
Yeah.
really see like the point of Premier League and Manchester City because we can beat everyone but not United. We fucking lose to United, भाई. क्या?
See, what I gathered was that we had a pretty complete
चुप
performance.
कर चुप कर चुप कर you would have gave it चुप चुप रह साले ठीक है stop being humble about it you won take
No,
the
no, I
bragging
was
rights
I
साले
was not
दूसरे को
planning on
मार
being humble at all. I was actually planning to be extremely arrogant, but uh,
God
okay. So let me start with my vanity. Let me just fuel it. Exhale, breathe in. Yeah. So you guys really didn't have any chance in the entire match, except maybe
okay
a Sterling sitter, which he didn't connect to at all. So you guys really weren't much of a threat. I thought we had a complete
oh we weren't
performance.
much of a threat
Yeah, not
okay
at all. I think Man City overhyped. I don't know what kind of threat people are talking about. I don't know how you scored like 5 and 7 goals. You scored what 7 goals against some team, 5 goals against West Brom. It's nothing.
yeah
I don't know who thinks your attack is lethal. It's not lethal.
didn't you guys draw to West Brom like
Huh?
some week back
That's
didn't
also
you
true. That's
draw
because we suck. But against City, against City, we'll take them to the cleaners, bro.
But I don't know like what happened. Like every by fucking Manchester City defense made Martial look like Messi, bhai. Messi, matlab had goo, bhai.
In all fairness, Martial had probably his best game of the season so far.
He was very good off the ball. I'll
He
tell you
was
that.
amazing. He had amazing hold up play. He had some good turns. I want him to be more selfish. I need a number nine, a striker, to be very selfish. Dude's passing all the time. By pass mat kar, just take a shot. Have you looked at Holland? Holland just shoots from fucking anywhere. It's fucking
भाई
amazing to watch.
हालैंड लो अभी let's not go there रुक जा अभी मैं उसके बारे में I want to suck his dick on my own time just like
All right,
anything
listen, he
like
won't come to City anyway. Okay, so we'll get back to that
yeah
later.
रुकना
No, we'll
प्रीमियर
get to
लीग
that later.
फिक्सचर्स की
Let
बात
me
कर
talk
लेते
about.
हैं
Let's talk
yeah
about Manchester, Avi. The thing
अरे
which
हो
is
गया you guys won come on we need to cover up everything we need to make the video smaller
you
come
want to
on
have a
let's
big brain talk or not? You want to talk about how City started with a number nine? Why are they playing the entire season? They played with a false nine. Why is Jesus starting? What is this ball guy
because we
thinking?
wanted you guys to win and we
Uh,
wanted to like bridge the gap a bit and that is why we
just
were
to
like
give us
यार
hope,
जीसस
no?
जाके
Acha.
penalty दे दे यार
Okay. Good.
yeah
To make the league more entertaining. Cool. Good to know.
yeah
Anyway, moving on. What else?
I don't really think there were there were a lot of games which need to be highlighted in the past game week. But yeah, one game which I really want to bring up is Spurs versus Crystal Palace. Why?
Gareth
Spurs
Bale
are in a phenomenal form right now, and I'm actually genuinely very scared
for
about
what?
them.
Scared of what? Spurs cannot win anything. They cannot even win EFL Cup, bro.
I
They
mean,
lose to
yeah,
you.
Audi Cup bragging rights है उन लोग के पास, but ठीक है.
Intercontinental. Yeah, cool.
Fucking
No,
stupid.
but Gareth Bale
But
looks
it's really good to see
energized.
him start. It's good to see him start.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, and he's played well. I think Jose had actually thrown him to the cleaners. He had actually ousted him to the media, and he
Like what, in the
criticized him
past 2 games,
very
he
vehemently.
has what 3 goals, 3 assists, something like that.
I don't know the stats, but he's played really well. I know he got a brace of
Yeah, last match against
no,
Crystal.
I think before that. Oh, no, actually, yeah, he did. Last match, he did get an assist. I mean, he get a
Yeah,
brace and an assist, I think.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना उससे पहले वाले में I think he had 2 assists and a goal. I'm
Yeah,
not
two
sure,
assists and a goal.
but ठीक है. But
That's really
brilliant,
cool.
by brilliant performance from Spurs. It's really good to see like them playing attacking football, and I think that has happened after the return of Harry Kane and him actually getting back into action properly. That was a good match
No,
to
this
see.
is actually glorious to watch. I love the way how there's so much positivity, and I can't wait for all of this to spontaneously combust next season. When Jose has a meltdown, he probably would punch Harry Kane. I don't know. Something would happen.
I
Okay.
mean, Harry Kane could come to City, man. I really just need a good striker who fucking shoots the ball at least.
do you guys actually need a striker? Don't you have you guys shifted to a false nine scenario?
But I don't think that is something which we can have in the entire season. We need to rotate. We need to play, different strategies, different formation, and all of that.
Okay. All right. I mean,
So
I don't know City. I don't know how they play, but I just know that they're boring. And what next?
boring.
Yeah, incredibly boring. How do you guys
Uh,
watch the match? It's just see, I thought of an analogy, right? So Man
mhm.
City is a boa constrictor. It slowly chokes you when there's just so much dominance. Just a pass, another
Really,
pass,
I
another
really,
pass.
really do not want to like get into your fucking kinky dreams, भाई. अपने fetishes अपने पास रख.
No, no, I
ठीक है?
want to share this with you. I
Dominating,
want to share this with
choking.
you, dude. I
This
want you
makes us
in
sound like a
snakeskin.
couple, Tanmay, which we
I
are
want you
not.
in snakeskin.
Tanmay, fuck off, dude.
Okay, okay.
Anyway,
Yeah, no,
another good game, Chelsea
uh-huh.
Everton, decent game, I
I
think.
actually thought Everton would have won this. I didn't watch it
Yeah,
because
because seeing Mount not start really,
no, I
I was
love
hoping
Havertz. Apparently, Havertz played amazingly well, and I want to
he
go
played
back
really
and
well.
watch
He
the
played
highlights.
really, really well. He played really, really
I
well.
don't know. I like him
Uh,
so much more than Werner. I think he has a higher ceiling, and I want Havertz to do well, just not at Chelsea. My
बट
God, I
नहीं
hate
लाइक
Chelsea.
मेरा लॉजिक ये है कि फीफा 21 में वर्नर ज्यादा तेज भागता है तो ज्यादा बेटर प्लेयर है.
That's also
लॉजिक.
good point, guys. That's also good point.
Yeah, बाकी really just want to I want to talk about
So clearly,
Liverpool and
you like
Fulham at
Dan
the
James, right?
last. Fuck off. But no, like one game which I really want to bring to the discussion podium is West Ham versus these bastards, Leeds.
Stop calling
West Ham
everybody
is,
bastards, bro. When you can't think of a word, सबको
yeah, मतलब
bastard
वो
बोल दिया तूने.
instinct है. They're a bastard. You are a bastard for sure.
Okay, हाँ ठीक है. बता भाई
But
West Ham
like
leads.
West Ham playing phenomenal right now.
Yeah.
Lingard getting his.
J-Links, baby. J-Links. It is United blood, bro. It's called winning. Hashtag winning.
हाँ मतलब it was a really good game and I was really very sad to see Leeds do nothing the entire game and there was a sitter
Okay.
which Bamford fucking shot in the moon भाई
Okay.
हवा में मारा भाई उसने मतलब राइट
Mhm.
फुट पे आया था I agree that that is his weaker foot but it was open भाई open goal था
See,
genuinely open goal
even if you look at his championship stats from last season,
yeah
he his expected
we
goals
have
were a
had a
lot
talk
more.
about this yeah we
Yeah,
have had a
his
talk about
expected
this
goals were a lot more, and he wasn't as clinical.
especially
This
especially after the
season,
fact that every single ball is
uh
moved around him in the game
yeah.
he just does not
No,
score
I think
as
this
much
season
as
he
he
has
should.
improved his finishing a lot more than last season, but it's still
कितना
not.
कितना goal 13 goals or something right
Yeah,
like
but his
that 14
expected goals
goals
is still around the same. It's like 15, 16.
हाँ
So
good
yeah, it's not good.
ceiling नहीं
It's not,
आया
it's,
उसका
it's
भी
not a top quality striker, but it's good.
अरे
It's good. So
it
I
was
think
never he was never supposed to be top scoring मतलब ठीक है he's a decent striker
that was not Leeds end goal for the season anyway, right? But they've done surprisingly well, and it's good to see. They'll probably finish
भाई
mid-table
at
anyway.
least relegate नहीं हो रहे यार
Oh,
अच्छी बात तो
absolutely.
ये है
Yeah. Speaking of relegation, it's heartbreaking to see
Liverpool.
Brighton. It's heartbreaking to
Oh
see Brighton.
no. Let's talk about Liverpool first,
No, dude,
please.
sod Liverpool. We'll focus on Liverpool later. I'm gonna talk about Brighton right now. Okay,
Yeah, Brighton
Potter,
Leicester. They played Leicester, na? Abhi?
dude, Graham Potter has set the team up so well. These guys cannot finish. They play beautiful football. Their expected goal is like 47, and they've scored 22. They've scored
47
22.
goals.
Yeah, they're expected to score 47 goals, and they've scored how many fucking goals? They've scored 27 goals, bhai. What a
But
joke of a team. Neil
they
Maupay,
are
eat your heart out.
17th on the table. They
Yeah,
are 17th
dude,
now.
they cannot get relegated. They should not get relegated. I'd rather have Newcastle relegated, I swear to God.
That is simply because you love Graham Potter way too much.
He plays a really fun style of football. Plus, I like Lamptey, which I injured her from last year. And Solly March as
मतलब
well. I like Brighton as a
season
team. I think they should be finishing between 10th and 15th, but they've had a stinker of a season in the final third. Anyway, now let's move on to Liverpool. I think our
I
rivals
I am
actually. Yeah.
sad for them. I don't know why.
It is. I know. I have the same feeling. Go ahead.
It's 6 losses in a row, 4 Anfield losses or three
Yeah.
Anfield losses. I'm not sure, but
Yeah.
it's kind of very sad to see them like this. Matlab, this is not something which is expected out of a Jurgen Klopp side which just won the Premier League.
Yeah, they won the Premier League, they won the Champions League. They were very close to challenging you guys when you guys had 1 point more. The thing is, I think
The
they have,
season they won the Champions League. Yeah.
yeah. So the thing about Liverpool is, of course, they've had so many injuries. Okay, they've got Van Dijk, Joe Gomez. They've got backup Matip also who's injured. So that gives that defensive frailty. Now, the entire point of
But
Liverpool
not
is
scoring goals,
no, the
not
entire
scoring goals.
yeah, no, I get that. The thing is with Liverpool, with this surety in defense, that allows Trent and Andrew Robertson to rush forward. Now,
And
what the midfield
also
does is, what the
Fabinho, and
midfield
also
does is,
Fabinho.
just a second. What midfield does is it works as an engine and it gets the ball back and
Yeah,
it recycles,
exactly. Like
right? But now you've
why
got
now?
injuries. So what that has done is now Fabinho and Henderson had to play
Yeah,
in
go back.
defense, but now
Yeah.
Henderson is injured as well, right? So you have to compensate, and it's really pathetic to watch, and it's quite heartbreaking because I want them to challenge. I don't know why I don't want them in eighth or wherever they are. They are eighth,
They
okay.
are at eighth. I'm
They are
not. They're
eighth. They are
seventh or
eighth.
something. No, oh, they're eighth.
Yeah,
That is so
amazing.
sad.
Um,
By amazing, matlab, it's actually borderline sad to see them like this, you know.
yeah.
But
Good.
then again, there's nothing which can be done about it.
No, but I think FSG has planned something, maybe a, a good, a decent transfer summer. Let's hope. I think they can get some quality players. But speaking of which, I think we'd spoken about this. The Jurgen Klopp quote that if a player does not
Yeah,
want, yeah, please go ahead. I think you wanted to talk
the
about it.
quote went something like this: if there is someone who is skeptical about joining Liverpool just because they won't be playing Champions League, they
Mhm.
shouldn't be in his squad. Like I'm paraphrasing, but हाँ उसने
Yeah.
कुछ ऐसा ही कहा था.
No, I understand his sentiments, but also if you look at it, which player would join you as a project, right? You need to show certain incentives. But now Klopp obviously has shown incentive because he's a top quality manager who has reshaped Liverpool. He's won them the Champions League. He's won them the league. So
Yeah.
it is a long-term project, or at least a project where next season I doubt that they can compete for Champions League or the Premier League. But because their
Yeah,
front three, they have to sell.
Champions League. I don't think they'll be playing the Champions League next year
No, they won't be. They
unless
won't
they
be.
win it this year. That also feels like a stretch.
Yeah,
But
that won't be possible because I think the front three
yeah,
they have to go as well. At least two of the front three have to leave. They have to be sold off the summer.
I think Firmino should fuck
Yeah, I
off
think
now.
Firmino. I think it's time for him to go. I don't know if they can cash in on Salah because he's the focal point, right? They want a proper
I think, but
striker.
I think Mane is better. Like मुझको हर
What?
terms में Mane ज़्यादा पसंद है.
No, no. I think you like him because he's a team player and he puts in a lot of shift, right?
Yeah, I mean there was this particular time the last season where he was actually carrying the entire team by
I
in terms
think
of
Salah
goal
is a
scoring.
better player. I think Salah because greed is very important for a striker or for a forward, right?
Yeah.
And if you see, let's just look superficially at the stats, all right? It is
Mm-hmm.
Salah who's miles ahead, but that's kind of his
हाँ
job, right?
मतलब ठीक है like I don't really.
Yeah,
But if they were to like make someone their cash cow, of course it's going to be Salah. His
yeah.
value is
It
more.
has to be Salah. If they want some
Yeah.
money to maybe get a Holland, maybe get somebody else.
अच्छा हाँ, on the topic of Haaland, भाई,
Hmm.
did you watch the what do you call it, the German
Der
thingy?
Klassiker.
Yeah, the
I did.
Classica,
I
the
actually
Classica,
started
bro.
watching it from the 20th minute, so it was already 2-0. And then after that, it was
Oh,
just
so you
Bayern
did not see
dominance.
Haaland's goals,
I saw the highlights, but I didn't watch it from the get go.
bro? I'm telling you, this kid has something about him
Yeah,
which will
dude,
make him the.
we know that. He's been in the spotlight for a while now.
नहीं भाई, मतलब एक होता है मतलब स्पॉटलाइट में होना, स्कोरिंग गोल्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट,
Yeah.
बट going to Alliance Arena and then scoring 2 goals within a span of
10
20
minutes.
minutes, and till the point they actually
Yeah.
came back in the goal,
Mm-hmm.
Lewandowski. It shows your mentality and it shows your lethalness as a striker. Bhai, that guy has got it in his
Oh yeah, 100%.
brain
I don't think
that I
it's
want to
it's a
dominate.
I don't think anybody's doubting that. I think he's a quality player. He's a quality
I
striker.
I I happen
Mbappe
to
might be more well-rounded than Haaland at the moment, but I think
bhai matlab Erling Haaland is way more hungry.
uh, I don't know if you can say that. I don't know if you can say that because Mbappe, when he turns it on, it's actually scary to watch. He
Barcelona
can rip
PSG.
defenses apart.
Neymar is not playing today as well, bhai. पता नहीं क्या है उस बंदे को.
हाँ ठीक है is there going to be a remontada? I don't think so. Okay, their comeback, Barca का when they say कि comeback होने वाला है like PSG and all that jazz before.
That was the last time it happened. There were
Yeah,
allegations of it
so
being
this
fixed and all
time,
that.
let me tell you, their comeback is only going to last 12 minutes. They're going to lose 3-0 or 3-1 if they're lucky. Okay, because
पता नहीं
Barca
पिटेंगे इतना मुझे पता है पिटेंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा बहुत
पिटेंगे
पिटेंगे.
भाई पिटेंगे. I don't expect
But
anything from Barcelona at the moment.
हाँ मैं वो कह रहा था like I happened to see a post with Lewandowski being compared to Haaland and I was thinking कि यार ठीक है in terms of that particular match it was a fair comparison
It was
but
such
I
a
think
dominant display. I saw from the
bro
20th minute till the end, such a dominant display from Bayern Munich. But
but
Borussia
I
had
think I think
no.
if you were to ask me now, if you were to ask me honestly,
Mhm.
I will put Haaland over Lewandowski. मतलब मेरा personal opinion है कि
He's
भाई
32 or 33. I
अरे
don't know anymore.
not even at this point मैं कह रहा हूँ मैं कह
Okay,
रहा हूँ कि I think
32.
during
Yeah.
the tenure, by the time he turns 30, Haaland will be
Oh
way
yeah, I think he has a
better.
higher ceiling. I do think has a higher ceiling, but he's not the finished article right now. You can see it.
हाँ, of course नहीं यार.
Yeah,
2 seasons, Baba.
yeah,
2 seasons he has been hitting
exactly.
highlights.
So
Come on.
just saying that you would take Haaland right now, it's a different topic altogether. No, because right now we have to see
नहीं तो
that the
मेरा
finished article is Robert Lewandowski.
मेरा
He do
preference है मैं ये कह रहा हूँ.
what he has done is he is about to. I think he's surpassed 30 goals for the season, and he's on course to tie it with Gerd Muller's 40 goal a season, which
भाई
is
तू वो छोड़.
iconic.
He killed it last year in CL भाई. क्या खेल रहा था
Oh yeah,
भाई.
yeah. Where they
He
scrapped the Ballon
legit
d'Or, which he
भाई
ought to
he
have won.
legit made a bitch out of the people भाई.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. And वो पता नहीं that was such a salty move भाई. दे दो उसे Ballon d'Or. He
Yeah.
fucking deserves it that year.
Even though I think Ballon d'Or is a disgrace to football, I think it's a terrible
हाँ
individualistic nonsense. It's a team game. You think
मतलब
he's able
it
to score
only high
something
but
else?
it's a very selfish
I
kind of a
hate it.
thing to
I
avoid
actually
always
hate the Ballon d'Or. I
celebrate.
don't know who has more, what Messi has more or Ronaldo has more, 5 or 6 or something like that. I don't care. I
जो भी
couldn't
हो
care less.
don't really care about the award simply because it just it just fucking
It's stupid.
get their egos very high again and again.
Uh, it just fuels their brand. That's what it is. Anyway,
वही
that's
ना.
enough talk. Speaking of which, you think City is gonna get Holland?
Doesn't really matter. I was just laughing at the fact that he just said that Chelsea is not a big
Chelsea.
club.
Yeah, which is insane because I think Chelsea is a much bigger club than City.
Oh, sure. In
No,
terms of
no,
the recent
I'm not.
performance,
No,
I
no, I'm not
haven't
doing that
voted
just to
City
piss you
fan.
off. Even though
Yeah,
if
yeah.
it's a complimentary outcome, I'm happy with it. The thing with no, the thing about Chelsea is that yeah, the money came in at what, 03, 04, but over that they've had amazing rebuild. The reserves have been fantastic. Their loan system is very good.
Yeah, my only
They've won the
argument
Premier
is
League. They
that
won the Champions League.
मेरा वो एक ही आर्ग्यूमेंट है जो चेल्सी का अगेंस्ट है जो हमेशा रहेगा इज दैट देयर बोर्ड fucking influences their
Signings
managerial style and
and
whatever
signings.
way too
I
much.
think I don't even think
हाँ
Lampard wanted Havertz.
मेरे को पता नहीं जो भी बात है भाई like it's way too much like
Hmm.
it's don't do that भाई like if there's a director of football उसके अंदर एक proper एक there's a hierarchy of managerial positions and then there's the manager and everything give them their autonomy भाई ये
Speaking
सब
of which, United got a director of football. Thank you,
भाई
John
10 साल
Motto.
बाद भाई
I don't know. I don't think the point is people say that this would limit Ed Woodward's influence. I don't know about that. I think it's just a rebranding.
नहीं, एडवर्ड वुड भाई नहीं कर पाएगा simply because he is not Roman Abramovich. Simply because.
The thing is, no, I'm talking about director of football. That's a different thing. But no, I think Chelsea is a
In
great.
terms of intrusion, कह रहा हूँ. I'm talking about in terms of intrusion.
Oh no, he does it. 100% does it, dude. He got Schweinsteiger when he's 30. We don't want. We wanted Schweinsteiger when he's 25, maybe. Okay.
So, and I think that was the season just before they won the Champions League, right, or something like that.
Who won? Bayern.
Bayern, and then Basti Kamer.
I don't know. It was a pointless signing. Either way.
जो भी है. Stupid. But Erling Haaland calling Chelsea a small club. It made my day for whenever he said that.
Yeah. But it's still going to hurt when he comes to United next season, right?
If that happens, which I don't think it will be sad about Sancho not joining. Like,
no, we'll get Sancho this summer. The next summer we can get Haaland. No, but in all seriousness, the thing is, the Dortmund director of football or president, whoever is, Michael Zorc, he said that if Dortmund fail to qualify for Champions League, they'll have to cut some major assets, right? So that does include Sancho and Haaland. And another thing is, Haaland's release clause is of 60 or 70 million that kicks in next summer. So the only time they can actually make some money off him is this summer. Now, who is going to spend 110, 120 million? Real Madrid or Barca? I don't know, dude.
We can. Barca, no way, bhai. Paisa hi nahi hai un log ke paas.
Apparently, they have some fund for a marquee signing. Apparently, I'm not sure.
Like, aren't they in the
debt? Oh yeah, 100% they are.
तो फिर किस बात को marquee player sign करेंगे भाई? First, they need to load off certain assets.
Yeah, so Messi is Messi. Have you heard anything about Messi coming to City?
If he were to come to City, it will be a very, very massive contract in terms of his wages. But then he'll have to be the ambassador of the City Football Group, and he will be playing a couple of years with the New York City and all of that. But the good thing, if that might just be the case, is if he were to somehow come to Mumbai FC.
Oh
God. That?
Oh God.
It's a part of City
that would be a huge move to legitimize City. Right.
It will be a very, very huge in terms of getting football back on track in India. Bhai.
No, I'm talking if Messi comes to City, it will actually legitimize you as a club. Because right now I think people in general just think of you as oil money and nothing else. But that would actually give you some sort of veracity.
I think that is the opinion of some half-ass.
No, it's every fan. No, because see, your City fans are the 20 of you that gather up.
Yeah.
You may say that you're your club, but I don't think the rest of the people actually consider you a team. You are amazing, but Messi coming to Manchester City would make it.
But then again, but the people who started following United because some people died on a plane crash, that's legitimate. Yeah.
No, that's not the point, Mishra. If you listen to my argument, it makes sense.
Chup kar.
Listen.
Argument.
Like tu sunta nahi hai na. Listen, right? We don't think of you as a legitimate club right now because you just buy and all that nonsense, which you must be tired of hearing as well, right? Because you guys are playing kind of good football.
Pep has starting owning up to it. हाँ भाई पैसा है हम लेते हैं.
Exactly. But the fact that the legend, the GOAT, Lionel Messi comes to Manchester City, it shows, it makes people think within their hearts that, oh my God, he's gone to Man City. Now there's some sort of attachment. Now Manchester City is a proper club. I think that's going to be good for Man City.
Achha, enough for your fucking banter. Good.
It was not banter. It was genuine. I don't know what you're talking about. I thought I made total sense. But anyway, moving on. What else? I'm tired of talking about all that jazz.
A couple of things. Let's just talk about a couple of things and then bring this video to an end. Next week fixtures. No good matches. A couple of good matches which I really want to discuss right now. Leeds, Chelsea, and then we have the London derby, Arsenal Spurs,
Yeah.
and you guys are playing West Ham, who will whoop your butt.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. But yeah, I think
भाई
we'll beat them convincingly.
बोला कर, पता है ये तू हर वीडियो में बोला कर, because every time you say it, you guys go on to lose a match or draw a match. तू हर वीडियो में बोला
I'm
कर,
sorry,
अच्छा है.
didn't we just beat Man City recently quite
Yeah,
convincingly? No? Okay.
still at the top of the table with 11 points, you fucker.
We're talking about game week fixture, no? All right.
Oh,
Okay. So the Northwest Derby, the not Northwest Derby, what am I saying? North London Derby.
not London derby.
No, North London Derby. Do you think Arsenal has a shot anyway? I know it's a derby, and that would
No way, bhai, nowhere near.
see.
Spurs are going to give them a spanking of a lifetime, bhai. थप्पड़ भाई, इतने गोल मारेंगे ना.
I'm actually kind of tired of Spurs, so I think I'm gonna root for Arsenal in that match.
I don't know. I think it's a very good time to load up on Spurs assets.
Yeah, for FPL, yeah, please do. I was just fucking around. Don't get Arsenal assets, guys, please. Maybe Saka, but he should be a bench option as well.
हाँ, simply because he's cheap, get him on the
Exactly.
bench, keep him there.
Yeah,
अगर
keep him
तुम्हारी टीम
happy.
की वैल्यू बढ़ जाए तो हटा के उसको भी कोई और ले आओ. But yeah, do not load up on Arsenal assets anytime soon.
Yeah.
Even with Leicester, I
Right.
think with Barnes and this guy out, Madison,
Madison.
वाडी मत लेने लग जाना भाई, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है मेरे हिसाब से.
Okay, now
They have, yeah.
we need to talk about 29. I hope you guys have 6 or 7 decent players.
Yeah,
Or
I
players
have
playing.
at least 7 blank game week players, because that is a very legitimate strategy. And do not taking minus hits just because you don't have those players.
Yeah, that's
क्योंकि
asinine.
it's a very huge gamble. मत करो -4 पॉइंट, -8 -12, और करना है तो फिर -24 कर लो एक बार में. ओहो मजे आ जाएंगे, खासकर मेरी लीग में कोई कर लो प्लीज. लेकिन मैं तो I will honestly suggest you guys to not bringing more than 7 assets, because it's a gamble any which way. So
What he's trying to
but
say
it's
is
your
don't bring
call.
in specific transfers when you take minus hits to just for
Yeah.
29. Forget about that. If you have 6 or 7 players, stick with that.
And if you are like, that is why I'm suggesting Spurs, because they are playing in 29. So bring in someone from Spurs who can be a long-term asset. I'm not going to say Bale. I'll still be like, you can bring in Son, you can bring in Dyer in the defense, bring in those people. But yeah, do not think of it like Spurs is playing game week 29, so I'll just bulk up on Spurs assets. That should also not be the case, because they are playing Aston Villa the next game week.
And speaking of,
Where I think,
speaking of differentials, I
yeah,
suggest go for Maja from Fulham, because I think Fulham are actually playing decently well.
yeah, Masha is a good bet. Like, I'm not even going to lie about that. Masha is a genuine. I think a couple weeks back he scored or something.
Yeah, he did, and I think he was in the documentary Sunderland Till I Die. I really wanted the kid to do well, and it's great to see him.
Oh, the Netflix one.
Fulham. Yeah.
Yeah.
I actually have Fulham's defender Aina. Mirror wala.
That is what I was talking. Because you had that differential, I remember that.
Yeah, so I have him. Obviously, I won't play him against City. Actually, I might. City is useless in attack anyway.
Sure.
No, but I think he's a good differential which you can play.
But not going to lie, if you really just want to bring in a differential Fulham asset, you can look at Lookman, like
Ademola Lookman. 100%. I don't know how Everton let him go. What a joke, dude. He's a quality player. And
DCL Richarlison.
Yeah, but a team of Everton stature who really needs to stick to the players, the quality players they have, they shouldn't have sold Lookman anyway. Anyway, what other options do you think? I think Shaw. I think people should have Shaw. Right? I had him on the bench.
Baba, he's bhai. I really just feel like killing myself right now, dude. I have
you should
20 points on the bench.
Oh yeah, I had
I have Rashford and Luke Shaw on my bench, dude.
Yeah, so I've had Shaw for a bit. I have played him, but I didn't play him against City because I really didn't think we'd keep a clean sheet. I thought we'd win, but not a clean sheet. But Shaw is a good pick. Everton defense, I think you can go for it. I think you can go for
Just to
Luka
like
Dean.
just to fuck up with you, I'm going to put the screenshot where you said that we'll give you a thrashing of a lifetime. Just to like,
Good. Yeah, yeah. What else? Do you have any other options in mind?
I don't have any punts, but if you were to like genuinely ask me,
Mhm.
I think that getting rid of Aston Villa assets about this time around is going to be a good call. Like get rid of them if you have the
I,
chance, because
I would suggest wait till game week 30.
yeah, game week 30 तक रख लो, उसके बाद get rid of them.
Yeah,
And if you
that's my
can,
game
if you
plan
have
as
the
well.
money for it, yeah, if you have the money for it, get Chilwell.
The thing about Chilwell is, I get your point. The thing
Mm-hmm.
about Chilwell is that has not played frequently under
Yeah,
Tuchel, right?
Tuchel's,
No, because they've
yeah,
got Alonso, right, playing as a
yeah,
wing back,
yeah.
and we have to wait and see when Chelsea plays in the Champions League, which is next week, right?
Also, like I think like Rafinha, सब लोग ने ले रखा है अब तो, मतलब अब तो
Yeah,
क्या
I think
ही
everybody has
differential.
Rafinha. So perhaps keep Rafinha because 29 they're playing Fulham. So keep
Yeah.
him till game week 30 at least. Then maybe if you've tripled up on Leeds, maybe you can sell one.
Acha, also like if you want to have a differential, then Adebayo from Fulham is a good call in place of Aina, is what I'll suggest.
Instead of Aina, is there a massive price difference?
4.4, 4.5. That's it.
Oh, that's
0.1.
nothing. Yeah, fine, fair enough. Is he giving attacking potential? Is he more returns at
The
least?
difference between their points is just 1 point,
Oh, then what's the point, Mishra?
because Aina is 0.1 costlier, no?
Okay,
Yeah.
if you don't have Aina, yeah, fair enough.
I'm just glad I made you gasp. That's it.
Okay. You always
Haha,
make me do
sex
that.
joke.
You always make me
Yeah.
do that, Mishra, please.
Yeah.
Don't be
Okay,
too hard
baby.
on yourself. Only I can be hard on you.
Yeah.
Wait, no, we'll cut this out. Let's
Idiot.
let's
Okay.
have let's have wild predictions for UCL. What's gonna happen, bro?
Uh, just before that, if anyone still
I
wants to
think
get someone from Brighton, Veltman is a good option. मेरा हो गया.
okay. I I'm just
I think
angry.
Atlanta's gonna get their asses whooped today. Oh, sorry, Real is going to get their ass whooped today by Atlanta.
Yeah, I think Atlanta is going
City
to
is going.
destroy them. Mönchengladbach.
City is going to win.
Oh, Marcus Thuram hat trick. Zakaria will
Uh,
score a long ranger. It'll be
हाँ ठीक है,
a
सब
match to watch.
सब मार देंगे bro. PSG is going to win today. Fuck that shit.
Oh, let's have some actually super weird out of the blue prediction. I think Messi's going to score with his foreskin. No. Wait.
do not. I don't make me fucking. I'm not gonna clip this out. This is going in the video now.
Okay, what else? Guess now. Let's have some weird predictions for PSG Barcelona. Let's say something random happens, okay? Is there going to be a red card? Do
Imagine,
you think
imagine, imagine if Barcelona actually goes to win this again.
they won't? They won't. I don't think. Oh
But
man,
PSG,
I don't
PSG
want to see Barca
fans
fans
will
fucking.
fucking, yeah, dude.
Yeah.
PSG fans are going to kill themselves
I
after
actually want
the,
PSG to do well, man. Come on, let's go,
yeah.
Pochettino.
I think Lazio is going to burn Bayern Munich. Lazio will score 18 goals against Bayern Munich.
100%. Lazio is going to score 18 goals. Who still plays for Lazio? Fucking Sergei Milinkovic-Savic. I don't know anybody else. Oh shit, us. Andres Pereira plays for Lazio, I think.
Yeah, your star
Good guy,
defender
man.
or midfielder.
Midfielder. Dude, he's such
Yeah,
a quality player,
midfielder.
man. Oh my god, have you seen him try to pass a ball? It
Immobile,
is
Immobile is
hilarious to
going.
watch.
Immobile is going to
Oh yeah,
score
Immobile, right.
17 goals.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and then there's Haku in Korea.
Wait,
फालतू player है.
Korea, he plays for Atletico, no? I don't know.
No, Korea is Lazio.
Acha,
Haku in
okay.
Korea.
I have no idea.
Uh,
Okay, Chelsea, Atletico.
Chelsea has it in,
Even with
bro.
1-0 down, no, Simeone will park the bus. He'll park the bus. He's like, here's my,
भाई
here's
all out
my,
attack खिलाओ, खत्म करो भैया.
he's gonna have 9 defenders and Suarez. He's like, Suarez, just do your thing, dude. Just do your thing, bite a few people and try to score. And be
Try
racist
to
also.
score. I just really want Leipzig to win against Liverpool today.
Yeah.
Like,
No, actually, that's
I feel
heartbreaking.
sad for Liverpool,
Yeah.
but
But I want Liverpool
fuck,
to lose as well. Yeah. I know. Same feeling, bro.
fuck Liverpool.
Charoz, are we done
Oh,
for the
yeah, we're
pod?
done for the video. It's a short one.
It's actually
Like,
not that
share,
short. We've been recording for a while. अभी time
whatever. Like,
देखा मैंने.
like, share, subscribe कर देना.
Like, share,
And
subscribe, share the love, guys.
yeah, the love which we have
For you guys.
each other.
What?
Yeah.
Get away from me. Not that there's anything wrong in that. Not that there's, if two people of the same
Are
gender.
you a homophobe, dude?
No,
That's so
dude. No,
sad.
dude.
That's so sad. चलो ठीक है, बाय गाइस. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब. देखो अच्छा है, मतलब कंटेंट नहीं है तो फिर भी देखो, हमें बस व्यूज चाहिए. ओके, बाय.
Bye.